For less than 1,000 pesos, meron hanggang tong high quality waterproof smartwatch at mahaba pa ang battery life. Hey Wanderers, another day, another parcel, and for today's video ay natanggap ko na nga itong nihintay kong smartwatch from the Betware PH. Sa packaging pa lang ipack na talaga namang napakaganda rin ng box nito. Kaya safe na safe natin marireceive yung order nating smartwatch. Kasama na itong charging cable at free strap. At ito na nga ang The Betware SBW8 Original Waterproof Fitness Smartwatch. May 1.96 inch ito kaya malaki yung display ng time. Ganito talaga yung mga hinahanap pong smartwatch. May malaking display para madaling makita kung anong oras na. And tingnan naman natin yung mga apps and features nitong smartwatch. Malinaw nga itong clock display. Dahil fitness watch din ito, pwede mo monitor yung activities like yung sleep, heart rate, exercise records, blood pressure, even yung stress, sleep. And aside from that, pwede mo itong i-connect sa yung phone. Ma-monitor dito yung mga phone calls, weather, mga messages. Pwede rin gamitin as shutter ng iyong camera. Ma-navigate dito yung music player. Command through AI voice. Pati yung ibang kailangan natin like timer, alarm, stopwatch, world clock, even calculator, meron din dito. Nagustuhan ko rin dito yung smooth na pag-touch dito sa kanyang screen. It is also equipped with the high-performance chip. It tracks your health data in real time with precision. May 7-day battery life. Uy, bongga. In fairness, matagal-tagal din itong magagamit. Pwede rin ngang baguhin at i-customize itong watch face display. Then, itatap-tap mo lang kung gusto mong baguhin yung setting ng numbers. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is waterproof na to. Kaya no worries kung mabasa man ito habang suot mo. Kaya perfect din ito para sa mga mahilig mag-adventure. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng high quality at waterproof na smartwatch, may 7-day battery life, at malaki yung time display, switch na sa The Betware Smartwatch. Alam nyo na, iwan ko na lang dyan yung link.